When can you defy a court order, man? You know, Mr. Gold, you're defying a court order.
I thought there was a need to come to judge. I
Great,
apologize.
but I don't care what you think. I mean, it's a court order. You cannot subvert a court order. What the hell is going on here? Really? Please don't do that again. All right? What is the offer that you've given in this case?
Sorry to.
He's completed what we need, but we need to have the contract filled out so that we can finish it up. It's.
Okay,
This is something I've never asked.
how long do you want?
2 days, I can just sign it electronically.
Okay. All right, so we'll roll it. Today's what?
Can you generate the contract?
Yes.
It's not already done.
For future reference, if you want to do something like that, talk to me before and I'm fine doing it, but don't just, you know,
Judge,
really.
I totally understand. He said to me 11 o'clock last night, he didn't have money to Uber here. I told him it shouldn't be an issue since we had everything from completion and all my other courts I've been asked
Never
once to do one of these. contracts.
assume anything in life because that's when you get in trouble, you know? All right, we'll see you in 2 days.
Thank you.
If it's not done, his butt better be here.
Oh, absolutely. Okay. Do you need a princess? Okay.
Carlos,
No, it's in the.
hey, bud. Okay,
Judge, he's been offered, or he was offered a street racing kills course online.
we've given him time and time and time, and you're now at 200 days. Where's Mr. Martinez now?
So he's at work. He sent.
I'm revoking his bond. Oh, did he get it done?
Well, he registered to take it tomorrow. He said.
I'm revoking his bond.
Oh.
He's had, it's to no. He's supposed to be here. He chose to go to work. He didn't get the class done. It's 200 days old. I'm revoking his bond.
Judge, I told him all this, but he said that I could show him, he works for Chevron and the oil rigs like out of state. He sent me proof of that. And also, he sent me
If
proof that
he-
he's scheduled to take a class tomorrow.
I don't
So, and
care.
I told him,
Yasha,
he needs to be here. I told him that.
I'm revoking his bond. If he gets the class done and he gets it to them and they dismiss it, that kills the warrant. But I'm tired of babying people.
Right.
I've given him over and over and over to reset to get it done. He failed to come. He chose to go to work. He knew he had to be here.
Right.
If I don't, what's going to happen? We're going to set it another week and it's not going to get done. No, that's
Sure,
it.
he promised he's gonna get it done tomorrow. You could set it for bond forfeiture.
I'm not going to do that.
You know?
No, he was supposed to be here today, didn't get it done. I have to hold him accountable.
Yeah, he's gonna
Maybe
get it
now
tomorrow.
he'll realize that we mean business. Stop screwing around. So I'm setting it at 5,001. Tell him he needs to get the class done. And then that'll make the case go away.
Okay, Judge.
So at what point do we say, come up, Mr. Martinez? Do you see how many people we put in jail? I just made someone's bond 300 and something $1,000 because they don't get it. Here we are, a second PWI, a second violation. At what point does when become when? At what point do you get the message that we mean business? I have already tried to help you with your work schedule. And here we are with yet another violation. If I let you go, what am I telling you?
It's okay.
Correct. So you are supposed to know and anticipate these things so you don't have to come here with yet another bond violation. Let's do this. I'm going to send him for a drug and alcohol test now. We'll see how that comes out and then we'll talk. But I'm at wit's end with you, Mr. Martinez, because apparently the $20,000 bond, the second DWI, all the bond conditions we placed have not reached you yet. What is it going to take? $100,000 bond, a $200,000? You say no, but your actions say differently. When my child makes a mistake, I say, come on, buddy. I've told you once. Makes the same mistake again. I've told you again, buddy. That's twice now. You make the same mistake a third time. Buddy, I've told you, do you want me to spank you now? And now a fourth time. How many times is this with you, Mr. Martinez? One DWI, two DWIs, a bond violation, another bond violation. You get my drift. I'm sending you for a drug and alcohol test. We will go from there. But get the message, because I'm not going to have this conversation with you ever again. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Is this the same complaining witness?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm confirming right now.
You have now picked up a new case. We ordered you not to pick up a new case. Sorry, but you are going to jail today. We ordered you not to have any threatening or harassing contact, and you picked up a felony violation or assault stalking against the same complaining witness. Goes with you.
You send her, you open her bond and send her a new bond, Judge?
Yeah, of course. I don't know. I guess we'll see. She'll pop up tomorrow. I can.
You said today, we'll have to come back tomorrow to get a bond.
No, I'm going to set a bond now,
Okay.
but we need you to come back tomorrow because she's going to auto-populate tomorrow.
Okay.
If you want to zoom in, you can also zoom in so you don't have to physically come here if you can't make it here.
Okay.
It's your choice, whatever you want to do. Yeah, but
What's the bond amount?
10,001.
If she bonds out, I mean, if she posts a bond today, she can be out.
If she does, that's right. She could, and then she'll get a 7-day setting
Okay.
at that point.
All right.
But if she doesn't bond out, then we do need you here.
Okay.
And I'm going to tell you now, with this, I'm done. We're either setting up a trial or doing something, but I'm not going to just continue to reset and reset and reset. And so you have offers.
$30. She paid $30. This gave her.
Admonished you to the tooth last time you were here, over and over. And the one thing that I did not want you to do is this exact thing. You now are going into custody.
She's gonna swear this morning, Your Honor. I don't know if that would help.
Oh, it's up to you.
I've explained to him, because I told him, you know, in this situation, judge is gonna have you under his thumb, even more so because of the violation. I said, I went and spoke to Chris Hall this morning. Judge, it does look like the way that the alcohol was basically, that there was a huge jump after the second test, which is more indicative of what he told me. Judge, it's up to you, but I'm.
No, he's not supposed to have anything. You're on bond for 2 cases, and I warned you. You knew everything that you're supposed to put in your body, you're supposed to look. I don't care how low, how this, it's supposed to be none. If you want to work something out,
No, we do.
I don't care, but I mean, I can't just, it's, the reason we are here on both cases is because of one thing. It's because of the alcohol. That's the sole factor that continues to happen in this case. The only thing I asked you not to do was consume alcohol. And, you know, you did all this, you did all that to prove to me, yet here we are with yet another violation. My fear is that it continues to happen. The next time, you may be looking at a 3rd-degree felony, 2 to 10 of the penitentiary. Do you get that? Mr. Ortiz? You don't. Because otherwise, maybe wouldn't be here on another violation. And the last thing I want is to put you in jail for up to a year, because that's what you're looking at the next time. You know, there are times when we try to intervene before something catastrophic happens. And we tell you, okay, please stop. It happens again. Please stop. We told you again. And it happens again. Please stop. It happens. I don't want something catastrophic to happen. Do you understand? You've shown us time and again that you're not willing to comply. This is why we do the things we do. If we were doing this and there weren't any violations, then I would bless it all day. But with the continued violations, I don't want you to have contact with this person. Do you understand?
Judge, would you consider, continuing the breath device, like Mr. Melly's contacting, and leave them in, language as it is? That, I mean, you know, Judge, I think his eyes were open.
What does he have now?
The breath, the portable breath device, is that correct? Portable breath device from,
Do we have, you know what I would do is the scram. So I know it's on him at all times, and then I would consider it. Yeah, I will. But the only way is with the scram. So I know it's on him 24 hours, 7 days a week. And I'm telling you now, any violations, you're looking at inpatient treatment over and over and over tells me that there is an issue. Do you understand? You may very well, because the inpatient programs that we have, it's a minimum of 9 months in the jail where you will wait for weeks for a bed. If you respond well to treatment, it's a minimum of 9 months, up to a year and a half of your life. Do you understand? I'm not asking for much, but I want my public safe, and I'm going to do everything in my power to protect it. Do you want?
There is a version of this courtroom that most people imagine. One where a judge delivers a single thunderous ruling and the gavel falls. But the version you just watched is the one that actually exists. It is a courtroom where a judge gives the same person a second chance, then a third, then a fourth, and then finally reaches the end of his patience. Today, Judge Fleischer said it himself. I'm tired of babying people. The cases you watched were not all about the same person. They were about the same problem. A woman who owed $30 and picked up a felony stalking charge instead. A man who chose work over a mandatory court appearance and had his bond revoked the same morning. A repeat DWI offender told to his face that the judge's patience had run out and that the conversation would never happen again. And a man with repeated alcohol monitoring violations who was told, plainly and without anger, that the next time he drinks, he may be looking at 9 months waiting in a jail cell for an inpatient treatment bed. The judge was not angry in every case. That is the most striking thing about this docket. In the Ortiz case, he was not furious. He was worried. He said so directly, I don't want something catastrophic to happen. That is a judge who has seen what comes next when people do not stop. He knows the pattern. He is trying to interrupt it. From a legal standpoint, the tools used here, SCRAM ankle monitors, inpatient treatment conditions, bond revocations, no contact orders, are all legitimate judicial instruments. They are not punishment, they are structure. And structure is what every person in this video was missing. If you found this case as eye-opening as we did, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more real courtroom breakdowns. Because justice never gets old.